Good morning. Welcome to CupO'Forex. This is your daily video analysis for Tuesday, the 9th of September. Okay, I'd like to get started. Again, it's not a real big news day today. Tomorrow, however, we start picking things up again. So let's get down to our economic calendar and see what's going on today. Some medium impacting events, nothing high impacting today. We've already had the National Australia Bank Business Conference come out today, a little bit lower than expected. What this means is that businesses don't have the confidence in the overall economic health of Australia, especially banks, that they had hoped for. The previous number had come in at 11, and the actual number today came in at 8. Now, home loans as well out of New Zealand, Australia, also came in lower than expected. Uh, we expected them to improve up to 1% from last month's poor showing at 0.2, and they printed a little bit better at 0.3, but they did not meet expectations here. We've also had out of Japan the Consumer Confidence Index, which printed actually better than we had thought. The previous number came in at 41.50, and today it printed at 42.3. Also, machine tool orders year on year we're expecting to come out today as well a little bit later on. Out of the United States, we do have some Federal Reserve members speaking. Federal's Tarul will be giving a speech later on today. We'll be listening to his views on normalizing policy sometime next year. Also later on today, we have Japan's machinery tools coming out as well. The previous one contracted by 3%. We're hoping that it comes in at around 0.2, 0.6% today. As you can see, that's the consensus. Tomorrow, though, we start picking up again as China will release new loans, and there'll be other news coming out as well tomorrow. Let's take a look at some technical analysis. Okay, let's get started. Let's look at the Australian to US dollar Forex pair, especially though we did get a little bit of news coming out of Australia today. As you can see here, we formed an evening star, a bearish chart formation on our charts. We've broken down below a technical level of 92.65, and we're currently trading at 92.64 for with the next technical level to watch at 92.9220 in that area. Remember, Australia does not like a strong currency, and they've been jawboning, trying to get the currency to reduce some of its value, as they feel that it's stretched and overvalued. Remember, Australia is an exporting nation, so a strong currency for them is not something they want. I also want to take a look at this morning, the Nikkei index. We're currently trading at 15,668, which is just below a technical support of 15,750. We do have some signs of seller hesitation here, as you can see a harami starting to form. This will be confirmed if it was to close within, on a uptick. A break above 15,750 can test 16,000 afresh again. If you recall, Japan's economic data coming out recently has not been exactly great. Their tax hike is not taking not doing what the central bank had wanted, and the inflation they're getting, quite frankly, is not the inflation they want. The inflation they're getting is from their consumption tax rate and not from consumer spending. So as the weeks go on, as the days go on, we're going to be listening to the Japan Central Bank and seeing if they're going to inject any money into the economy in order to shore it up a little bit. I also want to take a look at the FTSE out of London. The Here we see the market close lower yesterday. There's a lot of geopolitical tensions affecting the market right now, especially mining. One, mining stocks did not help as we saw a decline there. More importantly, there's a lot of worry over Scotland's vote for independence. That's rattling investor confidence in this market. We're currently trading just above a key technical level. It's around number 6,800. A break below there contest 6,750 and lower. As you can see here, the peak at 6,900 is a key level that we should be watching. A break above there would be a bullish sign. To close things off today, I like to take a look at the French CAC 40. Here also, geopolitical tensions have been affecting the markets. In Europe, it's all about what's going on in the Ukraine, as well as oil refineries and so on also not performing well. Not to mention that France's economy overall is not performing well. We see a bearish chart formation here with a evening star beginning to form. We closed at 4,474.93 overnight. We have a technical level at near 4,450 we'll be watching. Looking up, we have some near-term resistance up at 4,550 we'll be watching. All right, thank you for listening, and we'll chat again tomorrow. Have a great day trading.